What's up, and welcome back. I'm Clark Kent, the Man of Steel. I'm going to show you a method today that no paintless dent repair tech has ever done on YouTube. I'm working on a BMW X4. The rear door is dented and twisted. I'm going into my secret PDR toolbox. I'm going to pull out two tools you probably never seen before, unless of course you're a body repairman. Leave a comment down below. Have you ever seen a PDR tech use a monkey on a stick? If you're a new subscriber, put in the comment that you're a new subscriber and I will personally respond. Now it's time to save a dented, twisted door. Here is the BMW. In the background, I have a new student help me with the repair. He is an auto body tech wanting to learn PDR, better known as Paintless Dent repair. The backstory on this damage is the customer backed up while the door was open. The rear door was pushed up and jammed the front door. Now the front door sits on top of the rear door. The gap between the door is completely gone, so the hinge is twisted. The window frame slants forward. Lastly, there is a dent on the edge. The door is closed. There is a major gap around an inch above the window going into the door jamb. I will need to close all gaps so the rain doesn't destroy the leather carpet interior. I'm going to tell you in advance, this BMW engineering on this door is absolutely amazing. It was really difficult to bend back into shape. Mentally, I gave up twice trying to align and close up all gaps. However, I kept pushing my limits and trying new techniques. Let's go take a look at the repair and see the results. My first step, we're going to start off with the door dent. I'm going to get my door locked in the open position. There are different type of dent pliers out on the market. I prefer my old school approach. Number one, it's inexpensive. Number two, I like my method. It's better and cleaner. My opinion, of course. Let me explain. I'm going to use a Delrin strip and sheet metal pliers simultaneously so I can accomplish a push and pull in one movement. I'm pushing down the crown as I'm pulling the dent. The new pliers only accomplish one thing, and that's pulling. That's why I prefer my method. I'm now giving you a demo of my method. I will do 3 to 4 rounds. Start on the bottom section of the dent and move toward the top section. In the process, I'm warming up the panel with a torch. My 4th round, my student will get a turn. Swiping right. My second step, my student is using a door adjustment tool. The collision pushed the door up. Now we need to bring the door back down for alignment. Swiping right. Here's the monkey on a stick. It's used for pushing, pulling, aligning, spreading, and straightening panels. So a little deeper, my third step explained. Here is a diagram of a side view of a BMW. The SUV has 3 pillars, A, B, and C, that support the roof. My student and I will place one end of the monkey on a stick here up against pillar B. We will place the other end of the stick on the window frame, being extra careful not to push too hard and create more damage. With the pressure on the inside of the frame, we will then block the outside of the frame. We are laser locked in, again being careful. This will take out the forward slant on the window frame. Bam! We have a square aligned door. This will prevent any leaking. We just accomplished a 180 on this dented, twisted door. Thank you for coming along. Would you like to see my students and I save more dented, twisted doors? Hit the like, sub, and most importantly, the notification buttons. And I will see you when I drop my next video. You guys continue forging your future. I'm signing off.